Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find your Substack draft. First, go and log in to your Substack account. Once in, on the left panel, go to your dashboard. Now in here, on the left side, you will see under the content section, the post tab, so click on it. Now, you will see your drafts, so go ahead to it. Then inside it, you will now see your different posts under drafts as Substack automatically saves your post whether you publish it or not. Now, you can go ahead and view on one or click on one so that you will be able to edit it and publish it if you'd like to. You can also go to your other drafts so that you will be able to edit them. And that's it. You can now see your drafts in your Substack. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.